So hi everyone. So in this today's lecture, we will be seeing some questions on inheritance topic, and let us start with the first question. Derive class contact from the base class person and use their methods to print out the contact information. Okay. So what we're gonna do is there is a parent class person, and we need to derive a contact class, a class name contact from the class person. We need to derive it. Okay. So and we need to print out the contact information. So let us just Python codes, and let us just write here inheritance first.py, and first let us write person class, and let us take name, and let us just take name. So dot name equal to name, and let us take this display function in order to display the name. Let us just print name comma self dot name, and now we need to derive a contact class, right? Class contact person, self comma name comma, and in contact let us include mobile number and Gmail. So first let us get these parent class members, and now the remaining are self dot number equal to number, self dot gmail equal to gmail. Okay, and now let us create a display function. Let us just make it display 2. And what we're gonna do is print name self dot name, next mobile number self dot number. Okay, print gmail self dot gmail. Okay, now let us just create an object for the child class. That is, let us create object 1 equal to contact, and first let us pass name. Let us just pass xyz. Number, let us take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and Gmail, let us just take xyz@gmail.com, and let us use object 1 dot display 2 function, and now let us run it. Yes, we got it right. So this is the first question. We derived a contact class, and we are using the parent class name attribute in this one, and we are using this one to print it. Or else if you just want to print only the name, what you're gonna do, just go here, just use display, the only name we will be getting. Okay, so that is nothing but this one. Okay, so this is the first one, and let us go for the second one now. Inheritance second.py, and define a class student with data members as rule number and name. Derive a class fee from the student that has member fees and functions to submit fees and generate receipts. Okay, so first we need to create a student class with data members, that is rule number and name, and we need to derive another class fee, and it has data members fees, and it contains methods to submit fees and generate receipts. Okay, and we should also derive one more class that is called result. it will display the marks and grades obtained by the student. Okay, so first let us create student. And what are the data members? Roll number and name. Inside the constructor, roll number and name. Let us write self dot roll number equal to roll number, self dot name equal to name, and let us write display 1 for displaying the only student details. Okay, roll number and name, and let us print name self dot name roll number self dot roll number. That's it. And now let us derive child classes, that is fee and result. Class fee init, and here we write student, right, because we are deriving it. And what are these attributes? Data members, fees, and it contains functions. Self comma roll number comma fees. And first let us get the parent class members. That is nothing but student dot init self comma roll number comma name. Okay, we missed name here. Now self dot fees equal to fees, and they asked a function to submit the fees, right? Submit fees, and let us just print you have submitted the fees. Let us just print a thank you message. Thank you. And one more class is there, class result, and it should extend the student. And is there any attributes that they provide that displays the marks and the grades? Okay, let us just take two. Self comma first roll number comma name comma marks comma grade. Okay, and next let us first inherit the parent class methods. Student dot init, that is self comma roll number comma name, and next self dot marks equal to marks, self dot grade equal to grade. Okay, and let us create a display function self, and let us print first let us print name self dot name, and let us print roll number self dot roll number, and next let us print marks and grade. Self dot marks self dot grade, and that's it. And now let us create an object for the fee class and result class separately. Fee requires roll number 1, and let us pass name as some XYZ, and fees as some 5,000 rupees. And let us add one statement here, print your total fee is self dot fees, and let us use that submit fees method. And for now, let us create result also. Object 2 equal to result. Roll number, let us take some 2. Name, let us take some random thing. Marks, let us take 95. And grade, let us take A. And let us use this to display. And now let us just run it. Yes, we got it. First, it is being displayed. Your total fee is 5,000. You have submitted the fees. Thank you message is being displayed. And once we call this function, it is being displayed. Name, roll number, marks, and grade. And this is the second one. Now let us go for the third one. .py. And let us see what is the third one. Write an abstract class vehicle. Derive 3 classes car, motorcycle, and truck from it. Define appropriate methods and print the details of the vehicle. So we need to write an abstract class vehicle, and we need to derive 3 classes car, motorcycle, and truck from it. Okay. So abstract class is nothing but using ABC module. So this is a slightly new topic, and just see this from ABC. We will be using ABC module here. Okay. Import ABC comma abstract method. First, they asked us to create vehicle, right? Class vehicle, and just write ABC here, and just write here abstract method, and let us just print define function 1. Okay, and write self, and just put a pass here. There is nothing but we are just creating a template for the remaining classes. Okay, and what are the remaining classes? Car, motorcycle, and truck. Class car, okay. Let us write the same thing. Self, let us print this is car. Okay, and now motorcycle. Okay, so we need to write vehicle here. Let us print this is motorcycle, and inside function 1 we need to do this. Okay, and next what we're going to do is let us create objects, and c1 equal to car, and c1 dot function 1, and let us also create an object for motorcycle. m1 equal to motorcycle, m1 dot function 1. Let us just run it. Yes, this is a car, this is a motorcycle. We got that, right? So nothing but we are just importing ABC module and abstract method, and we are using abstract method to create an abstract function. And once we are putting pass, that is nothing but we are creating a template. So we must write the same function name here, and we are just put a one print statement inside that one. Okay, so this is abstract class. Next, program to demonstrate the call of super from init of a base class. Okay, so now let us see use of super. Okay, now let us go here. First, let us just write parent class init, and let us just take one x, self dot x equal to x. Okay, and let us create one display function, and let us print this one, self.x. Okay, and now let us create a child class. Super is used for parent class purpose, so we must have a child class first. Class child of parent. Let us write the constructor self comma x. Now what I'm going to do is super dot init of x. Okay, and now let us just create child class with some x. This is x, and let's just make it x1 dot display. Now let me show you what is happening. So it is being run. Yes, this is it. So what is happening here is, first I created a parent class, and after that I created a constructor and instantiated one x, self.x equal to x, and one display function, and inside the display function I put a print statement that is self.x. Now I created a child class. Inside the constructor I used super.init method. There is nothing but it is going into the parent constructor. Super is nothing but it will go into the parent, and we are going to the init parent constructor and passing x here. And after passing x, what we are doing, we are just using the display function. So the string which you have passed is being printed directly here. Okay, so this is assignment on inheritance, and if you guys have any kind of doubts, do not forget to ask us, and we will be there to help you. Okay, thank you guys.